Using the UniSwap Liquidity pool allows you to earn rewards by providing liquidity for token swaps. Here's how to use the UniSwap Liquidity pool. Set up MetaMask. Install and set up MetaMask by downloading it from metamask.io. Ensure your wallet is connected to the Ethereum network and funded with the required tokens. Connect wallet to UniSwap. Visit UniSwap in your web browser. Click Connect Wallet and select MetaMask. Follow the prompts to approve the connection. Access liquidity pools. Once connected, navigate to the pools section on UniSwap. Here, you can add liquidity by depositing 2 tokens into a liquidity pool. Add liquidity. Select the token pair and specify the amounts of each token you want to deposit. UniSwap will show you an estimate of your LP tokens based on the provided amounts. Review the details, including gas fees, and click Supply to add liquidity. Earn fees and rewards. By providing liquidity, you earn a share of trading fees from swaps made on the pool. You can withdraw your LP tokens and claim any accrued rewards at any time. Manage liquidity. Track your liquidity positions and earnings directly from MetaMask or UniSwap's interface.